सुस्वागतम विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. इयत्ता 9वी विषय विज्ञान प्रकरण क्रमांक 14 सबस्टन्सेस इन कॉमन यूज यामधील दुसरा पार्ट आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. यामध्ये आपल्याला रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्हिटी अँड सबस्टन्स ऑफ रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्हिटी याबद्दलचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. रुदरफोर्ड या शास्त्रज्ञांनी सन 1871 ते 1937 पर्यंत वेगवेगळ्या न्यूक्लिअर रिॲक्शन्सवर अभ्यास केला आणि त्याचमुळं त्यांना फादर ऑफ न्यूक्लिअर फिजिक्स असं म्हटलं जातं. ही इज अ फेमस फॉर हिज गोल्ड फॉईल एक्सपेरिमेंट. आपण पाहिलेलं आहे इयत्ता 8वी आणि 9वीमध्ये सुद्धा की गोल्ड फॉईल एक्सपेरिमेंटबद्दल आपण रुदरफोर्डच्या एक्सपेरिमेंटचा दाखला हा देत असतो. तर आपण सर्वांनी त्या एक्सपेरिमेंटबद्दलची इमॅजिनेशन केलेली असेल की लीड बॉक्स ठेवला आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये अल्फा पार्टिकल्स किंवा एनर्जेटिक पार्टिकल आहे आणि तो गोल्ड फॉईलवर आढळतो. ज्यावेळेस रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह सबस्टन्स आपण ह्या लीड बॉक्समध्ये ठेवतो आहे आणि इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज प्लेट्स ह्या आपण त्याच्यामध्ये इन्सर्ट करतो आहे, त्यावेळेस त्यामधून अल्फा, बीटा आणि गॅमा हे किरणं बाहेर पडत असतात. So there is a emission of spontaneous invisible particles. So what is actually mean by radioactive substance? Elements with a high atomic number such as uranium, thorium, radium have a property of spontaneously emitting invisible, highly penetrating and highly energetic radiation, and this property is called as a radioactivity. A substance having this property is called radioactive substance. The nucleus of radioactive elements is unstable. Radiation occurs from an unstable nucleus. Radioactive substances are relevant to our day-to-day life. However, before going further, let us learn something more about these substances. 3 types of radiations are given during the radioactive emission. These are alpha, beta and gamma rays. So radioactivity is introduced by these experiment, and the model was introduced by Rutherford in 1902. Rutherford and Willard studied the radiation emitted by radioactive substance. For this purpose, the rays were allowed to pass through the electrical field and photographic plates was held in their path. It was found that the radiation was divided into 3 types. One type of radiation divided slightly towards the negatively charged plates, while the second type of radiation is deviated towards the positively charged plate. However, third type of radiation did not deviated at all in the electrical field. The rays which deviated slightly towards negatively charged plates are called alpha rays. Those which are deviated towards the positively charged plates are called the beta rays, and those which do not deviated at all are called the gamma rays. So which are the characteristics of alpha, beta and gamma rays? Nature. Alpha rays, it is having nature like a helium 2+ particle. Beta rays, it is having nature as a current beta particle, and gamma rays, it is having nature as a electromagnetic radiation. Mass for alpha particle 4.0028 unit, beta 0.000548 unit, and no mass. Charges for alpha particles, it is a +2 charge. For beta particles, it is a -1 charge. For gamma particles, it is electrically neutral. Velocity it is 5th to 20th time the velocity of light. For beta particle it is 5th to 9 divided by 10 times the velocity of light, and for gamma particles it is the same as the velocity of light. So penetration power is more for alpha particles than beta and gamma particles, but the ionization power is also very high for alpha particles than the beta and gamma particles. So these are the characteristics of alpha, beta and gamma particle. So what is actually used? So radioactive isotopes are used in different ways. That ways are by using radiation alone and by using radioactive element itself. It is used in these two ways. So actually there are natural radioactivity, and generally the elements with atomic number from 82 to 90 are found as a radioactive spontaneously in nature, and these are called natural radioactive substance. Second one, it is called artificial radioactive element. The couple Frederick Joliot Curie and Irene Joliot Curie first introduced radioactivity, and the radioactive elements produced in the nuclear fission process brought about in the laboratory by bombarding of particles are called artificial radioactive element. They are awarded the Nobel Prize in 1935 for these invention. So what is actually used? The use is very simple, that is for industrial field radiography. Cobalt 60, iridium 192 are used as a radiography. Measurement of a thickness, density and level. So some isotopes are used to measure the thickness, density and level of a substance. Luminescent and radioluminescence. Krypton 85, promothene 147 are used as a high intensity discharge for the lamps. Then ceramic articles. Some colors are used in the ceramic that is given from the uranium oxide as a paint. So in the field of agriculture, the genes and chromosomes that gives seeds properties like fast growth, higher productivity, etc. can be modified by the means of radiation. The radioactive isotope cobalt 60 is used for the food preservation. Onions, potatoes and irradiated with gamma rays from cobalt 60 to prevent their spottings. Strontium 90 is used as a tracer in the research of various crops. In medical science, polycythemia, that is the red blood cells count increase in the disease polycythemia. Bone cancer, strontium 89, strontium 90, samarium 153, radium 223 are used in the treatment of bone cancer. Hyperthyroidism like goiter is treated with the iodine 123 isotope. Tumor detection, arsenic 75, boron 10, iodine 131 cobalt 60 are used as a treatment of brain tumor and other disease. So these are some uses of radioactive isotopes which are used in the various field. So which is the hazardous effect of radioactive isotopes and radiation? The central nervous system is affected by radioactive radiation. Hereditary defects are generated by bombardment of radiation on DNA in the body. Radioactive radiation can penetrate the skin and cause disease like a skin cancer, leukemia. The radioactive pollutant created due to explosion enter the body through air and it is difficult to control them. The radioactive pollutant released in the sea enter the bodies of fishes and through them enter the human body. The radioactive paint on the watch can cause cancer. The radioactive isotope strontium 90 can enter the body through plants, fruits, flowers, milk, etc. and cause disease like a bone cancer and leukemia. So these are the radioactive element and radiation information given in our textbook.